Hey there guys, today we're gonna see which vacuum cleaner can suck up the most of these expired sweets. So first we're starting off with the Haribos as a smooth start, but then here we've got Ruff with these large sweets. So we've got two piles, so we're gonna see which one can clean better, Henry or the Saudi vacuum cleaner. So we're gonna start, so our first contestant is Henry, so we're gonna plug him in to see how much he can clean up. Ooh. So Dad, we're going to see which vacuum cleaner can clean the most of these sweets. So this is Henry pile, and this is the Saudi vacuum cleaner pile. Ooh, the cord's stuck. Oh dear. Oh, there we go. Now we're starting to get some signs. We've got a bit of Henry wreckage. A vacuum wreckage. Hang on, let's move this. Let's move Henry like that. We'll put the Saudi vacuum cleaner here for now, because I feel like he'll be safe there. We do have Mom's, so I'm going to be using Mom's phone as a stopwatch to see which vacuum cleaner can clean the most. Let's plug him in. Okay, so Dad, Henry's now plugged in. I'm going to start the stopwatch. So we're going to see which vacuum will do the best. So you don't mind if I vacuum, right?
No, of course not.
Okay. So 1, 6, 1, 2, 8, 1. Okay. 3, 2, 1, start. Oh dear, it got blocked. Got blocked a little here. Let me see if I can try to unfree it. God. Can I try to unfree it? Oh god, that timer's going. We're gonna have to stop it. We're gonna have to reset that. Unfortunately. Because I'm gonna have to plot this down. This might have to be a bit blanked. I need something to poke. So I'm gonna be using scissors to poke it, because I feel like that might work. No, this may not work. I need something longer than this. Because right now Henry's struggling, unfortunately, because knife should do. Here we go. So now we're gonna see if this. We're gonna try again. I think it's. So Henry seems like he cannot do it. So Henry has failed. So turns out Henry did not do well. Unfortunately, he failed. So what we're gonna have to do, is we're gonna have to unscrew his hose. We're gonna see what happened inside. So see what happened. So we need something to grab it. We're gonna have to use some scissors, because right now this challenge is going extreme right now.
And there was no siege or anything. The problem is that from days after that, they started shooting rockets at us.
But you do control the borders. You do control the borders. And so water, food,
Is there any more?
fuel affects
Let's see, is there any more down there? Yeah, it looks like there's one down there.
We have an ISIS state next to us, okay? And, this ISIS state...
I don't know how to get down there, because I know it's stuck down there.
We'll win, but the West is next. If you think that it's not going to...
Okay, so I think I have a good idea. Instead, how about we could plop the sweets through Henry's nose instead of the hose, because the hose might get blocked up. So we're going to start with we're going to plug him back in, but we're not going to screw back on the hose. We're going to use the nose instead, because I feel like that might do well. There. Okay, so Dad, so as you can see, we're going to be using Henry's nose instead to clean up all of this. 3, 2, 1. Oh, he's sucking it. So yeah, so Henry managed to do well. Let's see if there's anything blocked. No, he did it. Okay, so I forgot to time Henry, unfortunately. Okay, so now we're going to do the Saudi vacuum cleaner now. So we're going to flip the switch. Yeah, so now we're going to test the Saudi vacuum cleaner to see how it can do. Hang on. Okay, so now we've got the stopwatch. We're going to see how the Saudi vacuum cleaner does. Start. Wow, it sucked 2 at the time and then it did another one. So, the Saudi vacuum cleaner had done 21 minutes and 9 seconds. So, wait a minute, the Saudi vacuum cleaner cheated. So, looks like Henry wins, even though he did rubbish. But let's see if his bag's full. I want to know if his bag's full. So, I'm doing my video, Mum. Let's see if Henry's bag's full. Because if his bag's full, then that means we need to replace it. Ooh, that filter went on. So, Dad, does Henry's bag look full? Mum, does that look full? Okay, so Mum, so for this test, yeah, Henry did okay, I guess. But should we take the bag out? Yeah, but Mum, shall we Mum, should we replace Henry's bag or something? Because it's about to be full. And the next time when we're gonna do the house hoover, yeah, we might not get enough room. So shall we replace Henry's bag?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we should. Well, yeah, but maybe when we're gonna do the house hoover, yeah, we don't want him going high pitched, so we need to throw away this bag. We're still have to put the bag, Mum. Yeah. Okay, but the bin's too full. We'll jam it in there. So now I'm gonna go and get our new bags. What's the new bags? Mom, do you know where the vacuum bags are? Can you help me find them, though? The vacuum cleaner bag. Dad, may you help me find the vacuum cleaner bags?
Where are they?
I'm in the wardrobe, I think.
In our wardrobe?
Yeah, I think so. They might be in here somewhere.
Here, why would they be here?
Oh, maybe they're in the cleaning cupboard. Maybe they're in the cleaning cupboard. I'll check if they're in the cleaning cupboard, Dad. Dad, they're in the cleaning cupboard. They might be in the cleaning cupboard. What? Yeah, I'm making the video still. And it's playing for like 9 minutes. Found anything?
I'm where they are because I don't know where they are. I can't find them.
Yeah, because what were you looking?
Oh, I know. Maybe they...
In the wardrobe.
In the wardrobe?
Yeah, I think I know where they are now. They must be up here, I think. maybe next to that blue thing. But if you want me to do some YouTube shorts, yeah, I could always do it for you guys if you want me to. So if anyone wants me to do YouTube shorts, yeah, I could always, then I could try to do some YouTube
So
shorts.
it's not in the wardrobe.
So it's under the bed then. It must be somewhere. So whilst we have Henry, yeah, might as well screw back on his hose for now. Let's put on his hose. Okay. Found anything?
No, it's not here.
Hang on. Maybe. Hang on. Oh, okay. So, if you want me to do some YouTube shorts, I could do it. So, bye!